All right, so we're gonna stitch right on the edge. And as you approach that V, same thing, you're just gonna straighten it out. And you don't want to get a pucker there, so just, you know, smooth out your fabric as you go. Level it out so it's straight. And then on the inside, you put it together, and where that V is, you're going to sew a little triangle shape. Okay, so it looks like that on the inside. Then on the outside, the way this works is the top of the sleeve, this was my right side, it's going to be under. If it were my left side, the other side would be under. Okay, so we're doing it with this shorter side to be the top side. I'm going to sew this together on the side like it's an actual sleeve. So this would be the under part of the sleeve. 1/2 inch seam allowance. And this is what we're going to be doing on the blouse. I'll be repeating this lesson on the blouse for you guys to see once more today. And now we're going to attach a little cuff. Okay. So the shorter side, let's make the longer side the right side. Let's make, yeah, the longer side is going to be the right side. Okay, so to prepare the cuff, I'm going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold back 1/4 inch. You can press it with the iron or the edge of your machine. So 1/4 inch seam allowance and 1/4 inch turn back. Then on these short sides, you're going to stitch 1/2 inch. I don't believe this part is in the handout, so take notes on this. And then when I do it again, you know, pay attention to this. I believe you guys did some cuffs in sewing 1, so it may be familiar. Now this turns out to the right side. And so this part that's folded down is going to be the right side of my garment. The seam allowance is going to go to the right, you know, to the inside. So with this longer side here, the longer side of your sleeve, tuck it under. Line the cuff edge with the folded back bias, and we're going to stitch this with 1/4 seam. So it's right side to wrong side. And the one side is tucked under, this side is going to extend out. my little cuff here is gonna fold over, and I'm gonna top stitch it, edge stitch it right into place. Pin if you'd like, or learn to knot. Okay, and when it's closed, you're gonna see this. The buttonhole would be here. It would come right on top like that, and then you don't see the placket at all. Okay, so the buttonhole would be right here. I'll mark it. That would be my buttonhole, and this would be my button. Okay, that's it.